Hi guys, so this is the plan of the trip. We started Dundee National Park, crossing with a crab truck all the way up to Cooktown. And then we are going up to Melville Cap, back through the Lakefields National Park, and then up, all the way up north. Then we're going to Lockhart River, to Chili Beach, beautiful place on the beach, and then through the famous Frenchman's Track, back to the Telegraph, the most iconic and known, all the way up to Jordan River. We'll try to cross it, not by ferry, with 1,000 of crocodiles around, and then up to the northest point of Australia, Cape York, top end. That's it. We are looking forward to doing it. We are going to start.
יאללה בוא, הנה עלה לתוך המים, שוטי תמתי, וואוויווה, נראה איך הוא יוצא, לא צריך שום חילוץ נראה לי.